Good morning, guys. Good morning. Happy Monday, everyone. How are you guys? How's your weekend? Good morning. First day of school, so congratulations, parents. You finally free from kids. Don't have kids? Cannot relate. Yeah, I can actually relate, but at the same time cannot relate because my kids were at summer camp like June, July. Oh, on Thursday? Oh, that's strange. I mean, like, why Thursday? Why not Monday? Yeah, that seems strange. Still on holiday? Oh yeah, I mean, in US, kids start school at the beginning of August. Some are at uh, August 7th, if I'm not mistaken. Some like us today at August 11, right? So it's depends on school, I guess, and state. But when I was kid, we started September 1st. School, university, school year. So it started at September 1st, right? It still starts at September 1st in my country. Most countries. I know why kids in America starts so early, but it's okay. I mean, for us as parents. Well, guys, let's see what we have. Oh, that's interesting. Oh, yeah, interesting. Okay, guys, let's see what we have today. Let's start with ES and NQ. So my analysis yesterday, I normally prepare like weekly outlook. Let me hide. No, I need drawings for 1 second. My analysis yesterday was something like this. So first level that I was looking at is possible daily immediate rebalance. So yesterday I was watching possible daily immediate rebalance as first level of reversal. And this morning, like, sorry guys, lots of levels. I know it's high time frame. And this morning, let me switch on 5-minute chart. Not really morning, like during the night, we took this possible daily immediate rebalance level and we reversed. So I believe, and that's very important to mention this. Let me hide drawings right now. I believe as long as we stay within this candle sequence with up close candle range, I would like to see higher to 24K on in Q. And as long as we stay within this sequence of up close candles on ES, I would like to see all the way up to 6,500. So once again, I'm just at this specific moment bullish on NQ and ES on high time frame to go to 24K on NQ and 6,500 on ES. But if it's going to close below sequences up close candles, considering that we have SMT on high time frame, I believe if it's going to be closure like this, we should enter market maker sell model on medium time frame to go all the way down to previous week low level. But once again, as long as we stay within this range of these up close candles on both ES and NQ, I'm bullish for the week, for the day, for the session. You got my point, right? That's what I have, guys. What is your bias on ES and Q for the week? What is your weekly objective? Good morning, guys. Happy Monday. Good morning, everyone. You're cheating with gold. I'm going to switch to gold in a moment. So something like this. Once again, I'm still bullish. I'm bullish I would say I would like to see maybe slightly lower to equilibrium Friday range. I don't really mind, but overall I'm bullish, so nothing changed. Let me see what we have. That's gold, right? Let me open templates. I should have template for gold. I don't. Dasha, where is your template for gold? It's okay. So my analysis yesterday on gold, I deleted. So I was looking for lower yesterday to take possible weekly immediate rebalance and previous week low level. Exactly what I want to see already happened. And if I want to zoom out to 4-hour chart, sorry guys, I know lots of levels. So we have manipulation leg projection, and as you can see, price was so close to enter 2 standard deviation, instead just retraced back down to this trend line. And I believe if it managed to offer smart money reversal from this range to respect trend line, I will look for long to previous week high level. Once again, if it's going to break this trend line, yes, trend line. So I will look for the continuation lower to take sell side. So basically, I would say, yeah, equal lows. So as long as we stay within this range, I kind of would like to see higher. We look for short with break below previous week low level and this trend line. So below previous week low level, probably I will try to short. Let me, by the way, remove this line. So it's lots of levels, just annoying, extremely annoying to me. So yesterday I was looking for a short to possible weekly mid rebalance and previous week low level. We just took previous week low level. Pretty much what I want to see already happened. This means if on hourly, it may offer order block to me, like order block closure below above down close candle, I will look for at least attempt to push us higher. Otherwise, no longs for me. Without smart money reversal on 1-hour chart, I will stay away from long in this market. Let's see. CL kind of choppy. Picture remains the same. As I mentioned 3 weeks ago, we already got move up, we got move down. So I highlighted this blue line because I'm waiting for 4-hour OB to enter long, maybe on my personal account, to aim for buy side liquidity at 70.51. So maybe at least to daily fair value gap, preferably with 4-hour OB to get move like this. So let's see if we get this order block, because without this order block, we cannot confirm smart money reversal. So it's high time frame analysis. Nothing for me on lower time frame. At least for now. I was looking, honestly, on CL, I was looking for short back to this range, to this weeks equal lows. It's for scalp, probably. So once again, if you're bullish on high time frame, you still can scalp shorts on lower time frame. So honestly, I was looking for short to equal lows. I'm not going to lie. Like 20-30 cents lower. And yes, I can see we have potential sweep on hourly, we have potential sweep on 30-minute, but I don't like this chop, you know. Overall kind of choppy. On gold, let's see if we have any setup on gold. Looks promising so far. No trades today at all, so. We have low resistance to upside, we have original consolidation. Oh, gold, sorry guys. We have original consolidation, sign of smart money reversal. At least try to pump again. Guys, what is your bias on gold? I don't see any good setups on CL, I'm not going to lie. Yes, giveaway today, my funded futures again. From this low to this high, so basically 50% of original consolidation. 34.40. Oh, basically 34.40 lines up with 50% of original consolidation, so I do agree with your level. So no trades yet. Let's see if we get something. It's it's Monday with no news. Normally Monday with no news, it's like garbage price action. So gold just took previous week low level. We got potential 30-minute and hourly sweep, right? At least attempt to go to 50% of original consolidation. So let's see. So let me switch on micro gold. If I'm going to trade, it's going to be like a couple of micros today with no news. So micro gold, going to trade my funded futures today. Okay, let me connect this. I don't want to long this just yet because 10-point stop loss on gold is quite big stop loss. Quite big stop loss, right? 903. So I will just probably wait for retracement and would like to enter at fresh OB. Yeah, I think so. It's just kind of big stop loss in my opinion. Guys, I'm going to remove this, so since I'm not in this trade, right? Like no reason to leave this. Okay. We slightly touched daily fair value gap. So basically we got move from external to internal range liquidity, right? So that's just one tick touch. I don't really like this one tick touch. Like feel like I want to see more. But still, what we got move from external to internal, right? Okay, let's switch on forward chart. Let's see what we have there. Okay, we entered daily fair value gap, but as you can see, it did not touch 4-hour fair value gap, right? Let me pull OT projection. Give me 1 second. I just feel like I don't really mind to see slightly lower on gold. Like it's not the spot where I want to long on gold. Okay, OT. Yeah, I would like to see probably slightly lower to OT because OT lines up with 4 fair value gap. So yeah, I would probably look for long within this range, OT range. What do you think about this, guys? Yeah, I don't want to long right now on gold. I do like to see lower to, let me see, 33.92 probably. So let's see if we drop on gold. So I'm not interested in longs yet, especially looking on for a chart. Lines up with OT feels like solid setup to continue going lower than possible reversal. Yes, agree with this analysis right now. So I don't want to long. Let's see if we drop first, like solid drop first. It's like feels like not yeah, we have unfinished business lower. Let me delete this daily fair value gap. It's huge one. We have SMT with silver. Yeah, I do like to see something like this first. Not enough for me to long. Let's see if may drop. If so, that's going to be nice. So yeah, I'm not interested in longs. That's why it's important to do top-down analysis. Even if you see lower time frame entry, but you don't look at high time frame, so probably it's going to fail. For example, if I decided to long, as I mentioned before, without looking at high time frame, because this is what I did first, so it could be. I believe it's going to be losing trade. It's not yet, but I believe so. But after I did the analysis, I see we still have room to go lower, and I would probably long from this range. at 33.92, right? Let me set alert because sometimes I'm just not going to pay attention. So basically OT range. So it's opposite direction, but you got the point. We got a dealing range, right? On high time frame, medium time frame. I don't really like to use OT on lower time frame, but sometimes it helps. And when we have dealing range, once again, it works on any time frame. So we're looking for long in discount, we're looking for short in premium, right? So we want to long, we want to short at this point above 50%, preferably this optimal. Yes, exactly. So OT is optimal trade entry. Exactly. So I want to short from premium, preferably within this range between 50 and 70.5%, which we call optimal trade entry. From premium to short to discount at least. And as you can see, it was for our chart, I believe. We have same dealing range, right? So we have this move up, this expansion up. So price already moved from premium to discount. So right now we're sitting below equilibrium. So we just hit a previous week low level and daily fair value gap. But as you can see, yeah, optimal trade entry between 50 and 70.5% preferably. And we would like to find any high time frame PD within this OT range. And I would say yes, it can be. What this line means? Have no idea. Oh, it was my alarm. Okay. Let me move this back. So as you can see, we just hit previous week low level, but right at this OT range, we have 4-hour fair value gap. So if price can drop to this 4-hour fair value gap, it will be much better than just long right now. I'm bullish on ES and NQ, but I don't mind to see slightly lower first, which is like not necessary, but preferably to get a bit lower. We have London low, which is right at possible. It's not possible, a daily immediate rebalance. And we have equilibrium of Friday range lower, but I'm bullish for the week. I would like to see a 24K this week, unless it forms for our order block. So for example, let's say it offered huge expansion down. I don't know if it's possible to get this. We need some sort of news, right? But if it's going to offer closure below sequence of up-close candles, only at this point I will be bearish. Right now, zero reason to be bearish, in my humble opinion. So yeah, since we're looking on high time frame OTA, so we can look for potential sweep on 30-minute or hourly to long this. Yeah, absolutely nothing wrong with this. You in short on NQ or gold? NQ, okay. What is your target? If I'm mistaken, like you aiming for 30 points, right? I'm just trying to find look at overall picture. Because if price wants to drop, I will be fine with this. Basically to test equilibrium of Friday range and reversal from there. So I don't really mind to see just slightly lower first. Nothing wrong with this at least, right? Let's see if we drop first to equilibrium Friday range. So equilibrium Friday range on, you can highlight on your chart as well. On NQ is 635.50. Let me type in the chat. Equilibrium of Friday range NQ. Just highlight on your chart. So 23, 635.50. And yes. Let me see yes. Oh, okay. Just keep this on your chart. It will be nice to aim for this level if you look for short. 63.97.50. So just highlight on your chart. Good morning, everyone. I don't really use 1 minute inversion for a value gap. I'm overall bullish for the week. My weekly objective is higher. But I just feel like a bit lower retracement, especially no news day, will be better than just pump without news once again. You think like empty model is going to play out? If it's going to play out, it's going to be nice. Let's highlight. I'm sorry, guys. 9 a.m. open. By the way, funny, like today's Monday, and I woke up at 4:45 a.m. and I was like, I will go to the gym at 5 a.m. because no one is going to be there. Like no people at 5 a.m. at the gym. So I was driving on my car 15 minutes to the gym, and I was like, where are people going? Like, why so many cars? Like, where are people going? And then I saw gym building, and I saw parking lot, and I was like, guys, are you serious? 5 a.m. You should sleep. Like nowhere to park the car, my car, nowhere. Crazy, right? Lots of people there. It was like 5 a.m. I'm going to be alone at the gym. Like, no one, finally. No lines there. I'm going to be first. Everyone was like me. On Monday at 5 a.m. Yeah, yesterday, I had solid plan. I will set an alarm at 4:40. I woke up at 4:44, if I'm mistaken. Let me see. I believe so. 4:47. Pack my bag, went to the gym 5 a.m. Empty roads next to my house, lots of cars next to the gym. Yeah, it was crazy. It was crazy. Well, we have, let's see if we get to empty model today. It's going to be only 20 points probably. So I highlight empty model. Let's see if it's going to play out today. Because I do like to see gold lower. If I want to see gold lower, preferable to see in Q higher, right? Gold is going. At least something good is going on so far. So I do like to see just, let me see, 33.92.20, somewhere there. Oh, no trades at all today. At all. I didn't even try to trade yet. I was looking for CL trade, but it was quite choppy to me. I didn't see any good setups on gold, especially after I did stop down analysis. I saw I would like to see lower first. Maybe. Something like this. And on NQ, maybe long. We have 2-minute volume imbalance. We have breaker block. We have 2-minute BPR. Over here, I don't know. Let's see. Where is my water? Guys, what do you think? Type 1 in the chat if empty model will play out today. 2 if it will not. 2? You crazy. Let's see. Bet support. 1 if it's going to play out, 2 if it's not. Because on Friday it play out just for like 20 points or a bit less, like 18 points. On Monday we didn't like from last week. On Monday we didn't have empty model. On Tuesday 1R. On Wednesday failed, like loss. On Thursday, what happened on Thursday? I don't remember what happened on Thursday, but on Friday it play out as well. Trump speak. I don't know. Like, let's see. Let's see. I don't see any news about this so far. I don't think so. So I didn't trade just yet. Let me, by the way, switch to MNQ at least. Okay, we have. Sometimes it's good to compare, you know, like micro NQ and NQ. Okay, we have huge view on both yes and NQ. So at this point, makes sense to use just body. Okay, we have similar setup. You know, like sometimes it's just enough to tweet something on Twitter, and that's it. For our fair value gap. By the way, I do like to see for our bullish fair value gap on gold as well. So let's see. Oh yeah, it's basically my original plan. I'm just looking for the retracement for 20 points. So this purple arrow basically for our fair value gap, OB, inversion, and OT. That's it. That's it. What about yes? Exactly same plan. For our fair value gap, inversion, order block. So let's see. So I'm not in this empty model. I'm just probably forward testing this. But I don't really mind to see probably gold lower as well. Okay, guys, 10 minutes left until market open. Oh, nothing yet. It's just forward testing. Let me type this. So it's forward testing. I'm bullish overall, by the way. What can happen first? We have equilibrium Friday range lower. If it wants to really drop there, I mean, I will be fine with this. It's just forward testing just for now. It's, you know, Monday with no news. I don't want to like take every single trade that I see. Just for now, you know. Well, what else? I'm just keeping my eyes on gold. Nothing I would trade rest for now. A rejection. You said rejection at 420. A rejection again at 420. What do you mean by this? ES? Gold? Oh, ES. Okay, I got it. Also, as you can see, we have pretty much... yeah, I'm showing this. We have pretty much big week on ES. I'm going to extend this 50% at 420. See this? 6420.50. Interesting, right? Okay, guys, we have SMT right now with ES. On ES, we have SMT with NQ. You know, you asked me about group trading on TraderWeight. I never did that. So I copy my accounts on NinjaTrader. I'm bullish on high time frame on NQ and ES. Yes. Yes, I was checking YM and RTY. YM looks solid, especially this July. July. August also, but it's just beginning of August, so hard to say what stats for August. But July was solid on YM. Cannot say same for NQ, honestly. Yes, YM and RTY look solid in July. So I didn't have lots of time to backtest this, but I was checking just for 1 month. Looks solid. Worth to check this. By the way, let me open YM on my other screen. Okay, YM. Especially, like potential sweep. No, it's just forward testing. It's not trade idea. I'm not in this trade. Because I noticed, like YM respects potential 30-minute and hourly sweep so well. Even today, at what time it was? We had a short idea on YM at 8:24. I didn't see that, just looking right now. Let's see, guys, what we got on YM today. That's YM. As you can see, we got we got potential sweep, right? Confirmed by what? 3-minute OB. This is what I was backtesting, by the way. Confirmed by 3-minute OB and 2R. So pretty much only one setup on YM that we can trade is potential sweeps, as exactly the same as we trade this on gold. Right? Okay, market is going to open in 5 minutes. Let's check ES still quick. So on ES we have let's see. Yeah, pretty much same M2 model, so nothing changed. Exactly same 2-minute order block. So that's forward testing. I'm going to add this to my journal. But as I said before, seems like this month M2 model wasn't perfect, like at all. Let me check on. I'm going to let you know. Let me check on gold just to make sure. I believe December. Yes, December contract. 754. Let me see. Why you use 754? I see order block at 736. I'm going to explain why. Give me 1 second. Why I said it's not 754? Because as you can see, we got equal highs. So basically, we don't have any other candles that broke this high, right? So I'm going to use sequence of up close candles which created high, right? So which means sequence of up close candles. 754. Give me 1 second. No, it's not. It's just equal. Maybe micro IM did something, but let me see. Okay, maybe on micro YM, yes, I agree with you. On micro YM, yes, it can be 754. But yeah, agree with this. So yes. For micro YM, it's 754. Exactly right. Okay. Yeah, sometimes it makes sense to compare micro NQ with NQ, micro ES with ES, or micro IM with YM, because we have different swing points from time to time, right? Yeah, empty model struggle. I agree with you, but it's part of the game. It doesn't have 100% win rate, which is fine. Let's see if it's going to fail today again. I hope not, but who actually knows? But yes, struggling, so it is what it is. Overall with NQ, hard perception on NQ recently. But I'm doing well on gold. Where is my statistic, by the way? I didn't trade on Friday. I wasn't at home. So here's my statistic for this month. It's not bad. I mean, it's good. It failed today. Okay. Let me. That's my statistic. It doesn't look bad, right? So it's still fine. This $77 right there, it was 3 break evens. Basically, I paid commission. Maybe I was slightly 1-2 points stop loss. So it still doesn't look bad. Trying to have, I try to have 1-2 trades a day, but here's I was trying to trade gold. I remember the day. I was trying to trade gold short. I stopped at break even. I was trying to short twice on NQ. I stopped at break even. So basically, maybe a couple of points stop loss, but it was mostly break even day. So my profit pretty much solid compared to my loss. Doesn't look bad, right? And no trades on Friday at all. I didn't even try. And yes, that's only 3-5 micros, not more. Trying to trade micros. So it failed. I'm going to just let me add to my notes. Empty model failed today again. So okay, all right. No complaints. Monday, August 11 failed. Let's see. Maybe we can get another attempt. Still have time for this. Yeah, I copy across all my accounts, but I'm going to be just open with you, to be honest with you. I didn't copy my Apex accounts last week. I traded my funded futures, just one setup on my funded futures. And look at this move. Give me 1 second. That's interesting. All this happens with me, but once again, I'm happy I wasn't in this long initially, right? Okay, what I want to say, guys. Last week I was trying. You see my stats on my funded futures. It's only gold. I trade on my funded futures only gold. But I decided to trade only gold on my funded futures, and I was trying to trade NQ on Apex account. So I ended up being red on Apex for the week. So I mean, it just was one winning trade on NQ last week, and other pretty much losses break even. So I ended up being red on Apex accounts, and I'm still green on my funded futures. It's challenge for me because I'm trying to see which performance is best to trade exactly the same setups as I traded before. So NQ was hard for me, while gold pretty much solid. So once again, I trade micros on this account. I'm just trying to keep this realistic. I trade, give me 1 second, 3-5 micros. And as you can see, mostly one trade, 2 trades, I believe 1 break even, 1 winning trade, red day and winning trade again. And only gold this month. On Friday, it was Meet the Teacher, so I didn't even check charts. I don't know what happened on Friday. And nothing today still. So, okay, a bit weakened so far. So right now I'm just flat, no trades at all. Yeah, with micros, 3-5 micros. Happy with this, not going to lie. Yeah, it was pretty much happy, so I'm sitting flat right now, didn't even try. So how many points we're away from equilibrium on Friday range? Like 50 points away, yes. So I will keep my eyes on equilibrium Friday range in case it wants to drop. How many points away from? Like 18 points. That's a lot, by the way. No, yes. Did you watch my video about model for gold and CL? Actually, I share this on my YouTube. What time you need to trade, what conditions you need to have to execute this. So pretty much I trade just one setup on gold and that's it, nothing else. Even if I want to see something like on gold, let's say I would like to see, let's say I would like to see higher on gold and I cannot engage if I cannot see setup. I just trade one setup there, one model there, nothing else. Yes, I would say, let me type in the chat again. So between 9 a.m., 9:50, 10 a.m., and 7 to 10 p.m. Everything is Eastern time, okay. This time what I trade, not always PM session. Recently PM session is busy for me. But yeah, that's times that I trade. No executions today at all, so nothing to show you guys. So M2 model first attempt failed. Good for journal this. I will journal. Yes, it was part of consolidation, but still I'm going to journal this. Ta-dum-dum-dum. Yeah, seems like it wants to go to equilibrium Friday range first. More predictable? I would say yes. I'm trying to chill on Monday, because especially when we don't have any news. So let's see if may go towards this equilibrium Friday range. Because normally, especially if you're trying to reach equilibrium Friday range on Sunday or Monday. So let's see if we get this. I hope so. So once again, I'm sitting flat. Like, let me see if I can show you any no executions, what to show you, I don't know. Nothing on gold today. Nothing on MNQ today. Still nothing, sitting flat. Hope to get something, but it's Monday. Maybe I'm just going to like relax and wait for high probability setup. Of course, I want to be done before market open, but it was quite choppy on any assets, so I didn't see solid setups at all. Unfortunately. Even gold quite choppy right now. It's still good time to trade gold. I'm just trying to see high probability setup. Nothing yet. Just yet. It's okay. I believe so. Because I truly believe if NQNES wants to drop, we should drop to this equilibrium Friday range. YM? YM? What is YM? M2 model was for short if you just joined Max. So we were looking for long. We didn't engage in this long. I was just forward testing this. It failed. Probably because it was chop. Like entry was within consolidation, like accumulation, manipulation, distribution. But once again, like first attempt for M2 model failed. Let's see if we get another one, like better one, which is not going to be part of consolidation. It's fine. It's fine. We're gonna get something. I hope so. Hello, Daniel. My son is also Daniel, so Nice name. Oh, RTY. Did you check RTY today? I didn't. Let me see. I'm going to open my another screen. Oh. Oh, looks solid. Did you see RTY offered potential 30-minute sweep and 3-minute OB? YM also offered potential 30-minute sweep, if not, yes, in hourly. And we just got 3-minute order block. Let's see if we got something on 5-minute chart. 1 second. We don't have order block on 5-minute chart just yet. So if it wants to go going higher, I will look for potential long on YM or 5-minute OB. Like going to wait for 5-minute order block first. It will confirm potential hourly sweep. Okay. Okay, all right. I need to check for RTY because I'm not sure about contract size yet, especially like from micros. Do you have boyfriend? I don't have boyfriend, but I have husband. So I'm going to open RTY on my screen. I need to figure this out still. I don't think like it's even to R yet. Yeah. I still would like to see slightly higher RTY. Guys, you got it. I'm from Belarus. If you're asking about accents, it's Russian accent. I'm from Minsk, yeah. Frank, you got it right. I'm going to tap the analysis on RTY, so let's see. Okay, nice retracement down. So as you can see, we took previous low. Let's see if it wants to be intermediate term low, because if so, if it wants to be intermediate term low, probably it's a good sign to take this highs later on daily. Time distortion, we broke below distortion low. So basically a second stage of accumulation, right? On this forward chart. Distortion high is going to be high over here. Nothing I like. I don't know, like I don't want to trade anything just yet. Just going to check chart, what we have there. Over top-down analysis. I'm bullish on RTY just for now. Would like to consider this as protected low. I hope it's going to be protected low. Also, we have hourly inversion. Yeah, I'm pretty much bullish on RTY as well. Not for the day, just overall high time frame picture. Especially, yeah, seems like intermediate term low on high time frame on daily chart. So yeah, I'm quite bullish on RTY, on YM, on ES and Q on high time frames. I don't really care what is going to happen on lower time frame today on Monday with no news. But yeah, there are lots of Russian traders, by the way, Russian-speaking traders, especially like lots of followers. I have lots of followers who speak Russian. Like I was surprised to see this, but yes, that's interesting, right? kind of like no interest in shorts, as well as probably no longs yet. I see this as AMD, honestly, to upside. So accumulation, manipulation, distribution to New York midnight open. This is what I see so far. So on the issue right now with MT model, if it wants to represent second opportunity, huge order block. Order block is going to be sequence of Dunkel's candles. So basically 1, 2, closure. We don't have the closure, but if so, I probably will pump again to weekly open, new week opening gap and New York midnight open. Let's see. Kind of struggled so far. And I don't like gold right now. I mean, I do like gold, but I don't like how ES and Q and gold moves in the same direction. That's not a great sign. Because normally, it's like, don't use this as SMT inverse correlation, but most of the time when gold moves in the same direction with NQ and ES manipulating before they'll move. So I don't really like this. Almost a year of ICT, and that's it. That's my experience. Experience with gold, just 2 months. I'm bullish overall on NQ and ES as well, so yeah. Let's check CL real quick. Once again, I do like to see short CL. Guys, what do you think about CL? Because I don't really mind to see lower on CL, at least to 63.90, like equal lows, something like this. What is your bias on CL? It's like 1 hour. Why it's 1 hour? Are you serious? Seems like we have SMT with what? Wait, no, we don't have SMT. I'm going to check right now. Give me 1 second. Oh yeah, we do have SMT with RB. So this high wasn't broken. All I don't like about CL is 1 hour trade. You know, I hate 1 hour trades. Let's check 5-minute chart real quick. We have 5-minute OB as well. I wouldn't say like we're a little late for CL, because if you just check, like a bit zoom out, it's pretty much choppy since 6 a.m. Since 6 a.m. it's quite choppy. We have equal lows lower. Let me delete this old equal lows. I don't need this anymore. We have equal lows lower. That's why I'm looking for at least something like this. I just don't see a lot right now on NQ. It's quite volatile right now, like no reason to probably engage just yet. Japanese yen. Let me check euro, by the way. Maybe some forex pairs to trade. I just don't see a lot right now. I don't want to sit and do nothing, so let's see. Maybe we can get something on euro today. Let me highlight levels first. I don't mind to trade forex pair, so I don't see something bad about this. Like candlesticks are the same everywhere, right? We still within previous week range. We just stopped this. Not really yet. Okay, we have daily fair value gap slightly lower. Okay, I'm watching euro right now to drop to daily fair value gap. Yeah, looks solid to me. Why I'm looking for this daily fair value gap. So as you can see, price right now trading inside this distortion range. Clearly, we have second stage of reaccumulation. So we need to see break below this low to enter daily fair value gap. So watching something like this on Euro right now. Not right now, like today. Let's see if we have any SMTs. Not really. Okay, we don't have any important SMTs just yet. There's no potential SIP. So let's see, guys, if we get this one. Guys, who trades Euro futures or Forex? What is your bias on this asset? Did you do top-down analysis on it? What do you think about internal range liquidity at this daily fair value gap? I'm not really bearish, but I would like to see slightly lower first. Like, not completed move yet. I feel like it's sharp and lower time frame on any asset that I checked today. I don't want to sit without trade second day in a row. Yeah, you said you like bullish. I do agree with this, especially we got move from external to internal. Not yet internal, but once you can get this internal, I do like to see external again. So yeah, just slightly lower first to long this, right? We look for the long on personal probably account on high time, like swing trading, right? CPI, okay, yeah, you're probably right about this. I mean, even right now, I feel like New York Midnight Open good level to be taken on NQ. And yes, M2 model right now in play. I just don't like how big stop loss at this point, like 50-point stop loss for Monday. Nothing wrong with to trading like 2 micros, of course, with this, but just overall seems like 1 hour trades today only. So my key levels on gold today, like overall on gold for upside. I'm going to type in the chat my key levels. It's going to be give me 1 second. 34, 25.5 and 1 second. 34, 29. That's gold targets for upside, but I'm not interested in engaging in this long, honestly. I want to see 4-hour fair value gap first and then long to these levels. Of course, what can happen? We can just pump there without any retracement. Happens, but it is what it is, so. Yes, and you just choppy. I don't think it's worth to trade it just yet. Maybe like pre-launch price action will be better. Just I see absolutely nothing that's worth to try. I'm going, by the way, in 9 minutes, I will send you the form to participate in giveaway, my funded futures giveaway for today core plan, tomorrow scale plan, for core plan, three winners again. Give me 1 second. I'm going to connect my WhatsApp so I have Google Forms there. Android user. Come on, Dasha. How to? It's so hard to switch from iPhone to Android. Come on. Okay, got it. Because some apps look so different. Scan the code. Continue. Okay. Link a device. Okay. Got it. Funny, right? I just switched from iPhone to Android like 1 week ago. Still hard to use it, so I'm not going to lie. Интересно, VM keep dropping. Yes, still bearish, but in Q struggling. Forgive me yet? I will check this for you. So yeah. Yeah, official Android user, so. So I'm still bearish on ES and YM. Not on YM, obviously. We have equilibrium Friday range lower, so as I said before, I'm not really interested in longs overall, like just for now, because after such a drop, pretty much big drop on ES and QB didn't take any significant level. So I just feel like if I'm going to long this, it's going to be from nowhere. So M2 model required reaction from height and from level. We don't have it, right? It's still quite bearish, so. $23,635.50, basically equilibrium Friday range is my key level, but it's flat. I was using Apple for the long time, but I had iPhone 15 Pro Max, and the issue was like it's not even like 2 years old. It was like almost 2 years, and it starts working so slow. Like my Wi-Fi stopped working, so I had some trouble with charging the phone. It's like I was trying to use like charger, and it didn't work. I need to reset my iPhone to charge this, so it was like not worse. I think Apple did this for a reason. Like, it's time to buy a new phone. Like, 2 years is a lot. And I didn't see any reason to buy iPhone 16. Like, what's the point? Especially, it's pretty much similar phone. Like, no reason, right? Gold day. On gold, my upside target 34.25.50 and 34.29. Yeah, I mean, Samsung obviously is better. Like, it works so nice. Maybe because it's new. Like, I know, like, just after iPhone, I feel like different. But it's still hard to use. I can log into my funded futures. I did this like 40 minutes ago. Can we trade gold? Yes, you can. This is what I do. I trade gold mostly between 7 and 9 a.m. I know, maybe that's me, but I know, like, I don't have any scratches or cracks on my phone. I always use case, and I don't use this anymore. But I know, maybe something wrong with my iPhone. I know. I just didn't see any reason to switch to 16. Wait for Apple Fold. I read somewhere like Apple wants to create a phone like Samsung Fold. It's going to be interesting, but I think it's going to be quite expensive comparing, for example, to Samsung Fold. But we will see. Yesterday, did you activate this? Did you got you probably you probably got TradeAway. So did you activate in TradeAway? You need to sign sometimes contract. Yeah, I got Fold, so it's nice to use this for trading. By the way, I noticed, as well as lots of notifications. Oh my god. Yeah, it's pretty much like big phone, especially to use charts. Like you can use like this, you can use like this. It's pretty much interesting. So once again, YM and ES still doesn't have any signs of smart money reversal, while NQ really struggling. So I believe if it wants to pump, it will pump to New York midnight open. So right now, M2 model for long again. So basically, it's in play. First attempt failed, fortunately or unfortunately. But I see absolutely nothing to trade just yet. I mean, nothing worth the risk in this chop. And it's just 10-minute chart. Like 5-minute chart looks pretty much similar to this price action. See this? There is no any fair value gaps. We have just order block and that's it. So pretty much balanced leg so far to upside and downside. Yeah. I will just stay flat just for now. Even CL, like nothing. You will switch to Apple Fold. So once again, sitting flat. I didn't even try to take any trade just yet. You fold 7 around tomorrow. Oh, that's nice. Give me 1 second, guys. I'm going to send the form in the chat so you can participate in giveaway. 1 second. Okay, guys, if you would like to participate in giveaway, I'm going to send the form, like pretty much simple steps to complete the form. And I'm going to pin this message. So your task to fill the form and you will be able, you can try to be in one of three evaluation from my funded futures. Today I'm going to do core plan. Tomorrow I will do scale plan. So I just attach pin message with Google form. Guys, good luck. And I hope you're going to win. Good luck, everyone. So this account doesn't have activation fee. So basically, it's going to be completely free account if you're going to do if you're going to pass this. If you already have 5, so don't participate. I mean, you can buy evaluation just in case you want to, like, you're about to blow your, I know, like, funded account, but I don't see any reason. I will do more take profit trader funding ticks and funded next. I hope this week. So I'm going to give away evaluation account. So you just need to pass this within 30 days. And once you pass this, you don't need to pay any activation fee. It's going to be completely free for you. Give me 1 second. I'm going to post the link again. So I'm just trying to find accounts, and I'm trying to do accounts that you don't need to pay activation fee, like at all. I want to find accounts that are going to completely free for you, because I know like some, actually almost every platform doesn't have activation fee already. Like even TradingView, Apex has activation fee. This means if lots of people do Apex giveaway, and if I'm going to do Apex giveaway on stream again, so this means if you pass this, you need to pay activation fee. That's why I'm not like, lots of people ask me for Apex, but I didn't see the reason like do lots of Apex giveaways because you need to pay activation fee. No, I do trade. We got question in Russian. He asked us what kind of assets I trade. I trade gold, oil. I trade. I started looking for YM RTY and QES. Sometimes silver, looking for Japanese yen and the euro. So pretty much lots of assets. Yes, you can have trader with Copier, so you can group your account there. But I don't do this. I trade on NinjaTrader, and I have Copier there. Okay. Let's see where's 2R. So it's second attempt for M2 model, by the way. It's ugly. It's ugly, honestly. Oh, not right here. My bad. It must be long. It must be long. Not worth it, honestly, to try this. It's second attempt of this long, but as you can see, stop loss around like 50 points. I don't feel like it's worth to try this. Where's 2R? Right at all-time high. I don't know, like... It's second attempt for this M2 model. First once again failed. I just probably don't feel the market just yet. I just don't like it. So still flat. Hope to get something solid. So London high lines obvious weekly open, so I don't need it then. Trying to keep my chart clean. So 50% of this 2-minute week. So hope to get something, but oh, let me see. Feels like, oh yeah, guys, compare the difference. That's why I said like it's nice to compare MNQ and NQ. See this huge week on MNQ at 710, while this low on NQ is 731. So 20 points difference. See this? Crazy. That's why I don't like to trade MNQ recently, because last week I remember when Trump was speaking, we got like huge difference between MNQ and NQ, and even right now we got 20 points difference. Trump speaking, yeah. This is what we got last week as well. So huge difference in MNQ and NQ. But I like how we're trying to just pick this propulsion block on 3-minute chart on MNQ. Even if we got this huge move down, still we're trying to just pick this propulsion block. So let's see if 50% of this propulsion block is going to be broken by the closure. But so far we just weaken. The 3-minute chart, by the way. Definition. Basically, propulsion block is same order block. So basically, that candle that traded back to order block is going to be propulsion block. That's it. You can call this order block. Some people, I remember when I called like propulsion block as order block, lots of hate. Like, it's not order block, it's propulsion block. But basically, it's the same, in my opinion. Propulsion block, order block, it's the same. You can call this whatever you like. Yes, exactly. So basically, order block that was formed with an order block. After we got it retracing to this order block, we got fresh order block. It's going to be propulsion block. Yeah, exactly. So I would rather to call this as OB. Much easier to understand what is this actually. But I remember last year, like lots of hate. I called order block, like propulsion block as order block. I was like, guys, are you serious? It's the same. Guys, if you just joined and would like to participate in giveaway, see pinned message in the chat. So basically just fill the form and you will get the chance to win one of 3 core plans from my funded futures. Acting as inversion super. Okay. Let me open 1-minute chart on NinjaTrader. Going to compare. I see. Okay. Pretty much a big one, but still. Be trying to respect this inversion. You're right. Also, we have breaker block. Like, I still feel like NQ really struggling. It's quite bullish. While ES and NQ still feels more bearish, right? I cannot promise you're going to win, unfortunately. Yes, I mean CL and gold chapter. So, guys, I start my stream 8:40 a.m. every single day because I want to trade gold with you guys. I just didn't see any perfect setups today on gold, but it's okay. We will try again tomorrow. So I trade pre-market, and I would like to show you how I trade pre-market. I know. So 8:45, 8:40 a.m. to trade gold. Before, basically, we have like 50 minutes to trade gold before market open, and preferably to be done before market open. So that's why I start early. Like today, nothing worse to try. But you got, so if you would like to trade gold pre-market with me, so welcome. 8:45. If I will see entry early, so I will start early. Like, I don't know. Sometimes setups happens at 8:30, 8:20. So if I see setup early, I will start early. Just for now, 8:40, 8:45 a.m. Can you please remind about smart money reversal? Oh, did you watch my last video about this? Actually, I explained that. I said like lots of Russian people. I explained smart money reversal in my previous video. But guys, if you would like to trade gold with me in the morning, so I start at 8:40 a.m. So today we started at 8:45. I want to see something good to try, but nothing. And it's still choppy, so maybe because we don't have any news, it's Monday, it's not volatile just yet. Yes. So if I see setup early, because sometimes it happens like 8:20, 8:30, so I will start just early. I just cannot say for sure. Just for now, it's 8:40, but in case I see setup, it's going to be early. So as I said before, most of my trades, like 99% of my trades, taken on gold. And since I'm done before market open, I'm just watching in queue. Maybe I will find something that worth to trade. But recently, especially July and beginning of this month, I didn't see something that really like solid to trade, unfortunately. Oh, not trades yet. Did you take any trades today? Oh, just watch then. I actually like spent at least 10 minutes on smart money reversal. I want to be done early today, but if I saw setup, I would just start Steam early, but as you can see, nothing still on gold. My favorite gold. What are you doing with us today? So as you can see, price trying to respect 3-minute OB or propulsion block. You can call this whatever you like. We're still sitting below New York midnight open, and yes, I would like to see higher. As I said before, I'm bullish on NQ, but I'm still feel like I'm bearish on ES and YM. I don't know what Trump is saying right now. London high. Oh, it's weekly. Yeah, it will take. It's weekly open, new week opening gap. Retest of new week opening gap will be nice. It's 10%. So look at this. So they funded next futures launch new plans. So they have original price. They have like discount price, which is like for 14 days only, going to expire this week. This discount price plus 10% of with my code will give you total 21% sale. I hope you got this point. Oh, woohoo! Thank you for supporting. So should pump to weekly open. You know, like it just kind of ugly delivery, especially like last couple of weeks, ugly delivery was every day. Feels like, you know, it feels like AMD, as I said before, like accumulation, manipulation, distribution, but look at overall delivery. It was quite hard. You love Russian accent. That's nice. So where is our... So as you can see, let me bring my M2 model back. Come on. So M2 model for long. That second attempt, first attempt failed. And as you can see, 2R for this M2 model right at all-time high. Can we go to all-time high today? I'm not sure. Like, it's 90 points away. Monday with no news. I cannot say like we can go to all-time high. Once again, totally possible. Just hard to believe just yet. I mean, I'm not trying to speak with Russian accent. I just I just cannot speak any other accent. I'm trying, like, but I cannot. That's funny. Trump already speaking, so ES traded into this 50% of 2-minute week with rejection, right? Sold rejection. So far, we barely closed above this level. Yeah, that's funny. Once again, I already said if you just joined, I'm going to repeat this again. So last week I was trying to trade NQ on Apex accounts and I was trying to trade gold on my funded futures accounts. So I end up being green, like pretty much green every day on gold on my funded futures accounts, and I ended up being red on Apex accounts because I was trying to trade in Q. And honestly, it was funny to see because yeah, I was trying to short sometimes. Yes, it was like obvious losses, but sometimes see this like overall delivery over here. I was in the right. I was right with direction, but my entry in real time looked nice. But I just stopped out, for example, and it went to my TP. So NQ was hard for me last week. So I just one green day on Apex last week, and other days was losses. I already said like if I'm ever going to blow accounts because of NQ, I'm not going to come back to this at all. It's going to be my last day. Our task is to survive, guys. We are not going to give up. Yeah. So it is what it is. So I'm going to be honest with you guys. NQ was hard. Like at least I'm happy with my funded futures account. It's pretty much green. Oh, you asked me about something? I'm so sorry. What buffer? Depends on prop firm. Depends on prop firm. Which prop firm are you asking? I mean, let me see. I didn't trade Friday and Monday, but I was trying to trade PM session and lunch Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And for some reason, it wasn't nice to me. So it's okay. So it's like part of the game. Not going to complain about this. Apex, try to build until 5k plus, so at least you can have buffer before. I mean, some balance before taking payout. So like 5k and 50k, preferably. When did you feel I cannot trade? I felt this last week, so I even shared with my friends. Like I feel like I forgot how to trade. It was funny. It's okay. So I mean, part of the game. When I see market like this, so it's just hard. It's okay. I think lots of people experience something like this, so it's okay. Once again, maybe it's summer price action. So because I got like one red week doesn't mean like I cannot trade. It's fine. Yeah, no complaints. Japanese yen trades the daily fair value gap. Let's see if we get smart money reversal. Oh, look at this move on euro. I like it. So, since guys, my question for you, if I can answer, if we enter a daily fair value gap, what should I do next? Can I long immediately if we entered a daily fair value gap? Who can tell me yes or no? Yes, one in the chat, no, two in the chat. Let's see how many people can say if I can just long within this daily fair value gap. Any entry. Can I enter right now? We just enter daily fair value gap. Maybe? No. Okay, yes, okay. Never, exactly. Okay, guys, why no? Why I cannot right now? Why I cannot long? Who can tell me? Wait for a reversal. That's right answer. Okay, what kind of reversal I'm going to wait? What should I have to anticipate reversal? Does anyone know? Which time frame should I use to anticipate reversal? Trump is coming. Let's start with time frame. So since we enter daily fair value gap, I must switch on 1 minute? No, that's too much. Guys, remember about time frame alignment chart? Exactly, 1 hour chart. Exactly, that's the right answer. I need to switch on 1 hour chart and wait for smart money reversal. Who knows how can we confirm smart money reversal? I'm ready to see. 1 hour, good point. Smart money reversal can be confirmed by what signs? Who can tell me? SMT, okay. Inversion change in the state of delivery, exactly right answer. Or market structure shift and change in the state of delivery, exactly right answer. Good job. Good job. We have smart people here. Okay, so this means if we want to think about market maker buy model and we want to think about market maker model every single time when we do top-down analysis, because every single move that market makes is a part of market maker model. It's fractal, so it can be a 15-second market maker model. It can be daily market maker model. It can be hourly market maker model. This means what? I want to think in terms of market maker model right now, buy model. If it wants to be distortion, second stage of accumulation redistribution, I need to see break below distortion low first. Yes, we got this. Next step. We need to enter some sort of level. Yes, we got this. So our task right now is to see if we get inversion for a value gap. We have this answer as well. So if you watch my market maker model video, it was like from last year, I believe. So in order to confirm time distortion, second stage of market maker model, we need to get inversion. So this hourly fair value gap will be our inversion to trade long. That's it. So of course I can enter this daily fair value gap, but it's going to be extremely aggressive entry because actually we can still break this daily fair value gap, but close within the daily fair value gap, and nothing is going to change. So it's still going to be bullish fair value gap. So in my opinion, in order to long, that's euro on 1 hour chart, I would like to long hourly inversion to aim for what level? Previous week high level. And that's it. So the answer, no, we cannot long from daily fair value gap if we are smart people. If you're not smart people, yes, we can. Result for giveaway at 11. So basically 20 more minutes. Liquidity sweep, yeah, it can be the right answer, but not always we are going to get like perfect sweep. Pray for me. You long euro right now? Okay, good luck. Without stop loss, you're going to be fine. Just trust me. Until you liquidate it. Yeah, short on euro, at least to this daily for a while, gap was quite obvious. Oh, that's hourly. Okay. Oh, it's a good job, by the way, shorting this. CL took equal lows. Finally. Gold really struggling. NQ trying to pump. Let me delete London high. So we just entered new week opening gap. So 2R for this empty model lines up with what level? All-time high. So if you long this empty model, which I don't really like, probably because of stop loss, all-time high is going to be final TP. But once again, I'm not fan of this price action just yet. Look at gold. Chop. CL. It was fight for 30 cents, like really fight. Kind of hard points. And Q, we barely got. Actually, we got around like from any additional entry like 40 points only. So, of course, I can try to trade a lunch. PM session kind of tricky recently to me, but it's okay. Guys, if you just joined and would like to participate in giveaway, just click pinned message in the chat. And that's it. So we expected propulsion block, as we mentioned before, on both micro NQ and NQ. On micro NQ, we just got bigger move down. Not by stops. Come on. Other block. I'm watching gold right now. It's choppy just yet. Middle child. Yeah, YM is still bearish. ES is bearish as well. But NQ struggling with move down. Oh, perfect. Giveaway results is going to be at 11, so in 30 minutes. If you're going to participate, of course, you can try to win. So I still believe ES and NQ reverse from nowhere, and I do like to see still lower. I mean, I'm happy with daily immediate rebalance on NQ, but I'm not happy with move on ES. It still feels like from nowhere. Yeah. Continue probably being flat just for now. I hope at 11 we can get something, but honestly, not know yet. I would like to see YM lower. Let me give you the price what I would like to see on YM. 1 second. Okay, one. Guys, you shorting YM right now? If so, what is your TP? I would like to see lower on YM to 44. 1. 30. It has unfinished business there. You shorting? Yes, I would probably take partial on London low and left rest to equilibrium of either range. So basically 63, 9. Let me type in the chat. It could be my final TP. Oops, 0.50. You got this. It could be my final TP on ES. I don't know about NQ. Don't ask me about NQ. It's just struggling so far. Gold, also choppy. Really wants to see for value gap first before reversal. Just a trace back to the range, so nothing from me there, obviously. CL, nice drop. Nothing here yet. Watching for smart money reversal on hourly, nothing, of course. And I'm going to switch on YM right now. So I highlighted this setup like when I was developing the setup, so just to see if it's going to play out, just for testing this. As said before, I would like to see still lower. Oh. Oh, much better. So stay away from NQ just yet. Hello, 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 hello. Because comparing ES, YM, and NQ only assets that bullish right now. But I feel like I'm fine today. I'm happy I decided to stay away overall. Like, didn't even try to trade something yet. Yeah. Maybe I will be wrong with saying this, but I truly believe intuition really helps in trading. Logic, intuition. Yeah, I'm with Apex. What is your question? 20 Apex accounts. What is your question? It's good to know, like, do technical analysis. That's nice. But intuition and logic, great helpers. Just trust me. It saved me lots of time. From 724. Where is your stop loss? If you don't mind me to ask. Just would like to see if I agree with this stop loss or not. I'm bearish on ES. I'm bearish on YM. That's it. I don't know about NQ, guys. Short-term bearish, obviously not like long-term or something like this. Trade the low. 690. I'm going to check. Give me 1 second. Yeah, pretty much, by the way, look at this, guys. It's pretty much balanced leg up, so nothing to balance in this way. So this means nothing stops YM right now for from continuation lower. So why I was looking at 130 is because of equal lows. So 2 key levels on YMs they have. I do trade all accounts. Yes, exactly. I have Copier, so I just click copy all accounts. I select leader account, and that's it. Yes. That cat. You can send me direct message, by the way. Yes, I already have one guy who created indicator, but yeah, you can send me message. They don't have sale right now, solid sale right now, my funded futures, but they have 5% off. You can, if you never tried to trade my funded futures, I highly recommend to just start with core plan. This is what I did. I mean, I just bought like cheapest version, like core plan. Yes, you can, of course. 20 accounts. So I have just one leader account, like let's say Apex1, and I copy 19 accounts. So I already posted this on Twitter. I'm going to send you again. Also, I sent emails, guys, with how to set your NinjaTrader. If you check this, I'm going to show you right now how it looks. How it looks. 1 second. I created this post last week. I'm going to just show you again. This is how you want to set your copier. So that's my copier. As you can see, I have like leader account. It's my PA funded Apex accounts. Let's say it's going to be just one. And see these green bubbles. So I can just uncheck them. So this means I'm going to, if I want to trade just 2 accounts, copy like or total 3 accounts, I'm going to uncheck these bubbles. It's going to be like this. If I want to trade all accounts, I selected my leader account and I added my 19 more accounts like this. Make sense? Also, great feature is on Replikanto. It's Replikanto, by the way. It's not sponsored because I paid my own money on this for this. So as you can see, for example, let's say I want to trade different balance on Replikanto, right? So just different balance. I want to copy like PA, my Apex1, and let's say 5 more accounts. Like I want to trade minis, and the rest of accounts, let's say I just pass them. I cannot trade minis yet. I need to build my account. I need to trade micros. This means I'm going to use cross order. So for example, let's say it says like I set like let's say PA account is micro gold, and I want to trade from 15 to 24 micro gold as well. But first from 2 to 14, I want to trade minis. This means I'm going to use cross order. See these green boxes, right? So this means if I'm going to click these boxes, I'm going to trade copy gold, not micro gold. But any other account is going to copy just micro gold with my leader account. It's not free. I paid lifetime. It was $1.99 if I'm not mistaken for one machine. So I have 2 machines, so I paid like twice lifetime. Absolutely amazing copier. Lots of options for me to trade this. For example, once again, if I have old accounts with Apex, let's say balance 57K. Any other account just starts in balance. I don't want to trade minis. I'm just going to trade micros, and I want to trade minis on these accounts. Okay, I'm going to check these boxes. I will trade minis, and other accounts going to copy with micros. So you have one PC, so you can trade just on one PC. Uses Replikanto on one PC. That's it. Oh yeah, it's pretty much straightforward. This is what I backtest. Give me 1 second, I'm going to show you. So on YM, I just backtested this weekend just one single model that I trade on gold. It's straightforward. I'm waiting for potential sweep like this. And this sweep must be confirmed by 3-minute OB. That's it. Entry at the open of next candle, stop loss above swing high or order block, 2R. That's it. I have video about this on my channel. Two machines, this means you can, let's say you have one PC, you have second PC, so at your work, let's say, so you can get like 2 machines. This means you can use this Replikanto at your work, let's say, on your PC, and at home on your PC. That's it. So basically 2 PC computers, right? That's the difference. Hope gold is going to drop. Please drop for us. So we will long from this. I will look potential long on my personal account from this range to swing this, as well as I will probably swing on Japanese yen and euro. Not sure yet. I aim for 2R mostly. After 1.5R, I just move at break even. That's it. Let me delete this from here. Okay. On Y, I'm looking for lower. On NQ, have no idea. Funny, right? And on ES, would like to see lower as well. Let's see if NQ can catch the move as well to downside. Which video I'm going to send you guys right now. Everything is free on my YouTube, every single model. If you just joined, would like to participate in giveaway, guys, you can just click pin message in the chat. I stream from 8:45 a.m. until 11:30. So basically, I will trade pre-market with you guys. Gold. Which one? Oh, this one. Okay. I was trying to find. Here's the video, guys. To trade gold. Pretty much YM as well, because I backtested this pretty much similar model works there. And guys, working on indicator for this model. Hope you're going to finish soon. Let's see how it goes. By the way, it was 5-minute chart. Yeah, 3-minute chart, okay. I was thinking it's like 5-minute chart. No. Not me. Not me. By the way, according to my backtest, I noted like I must take 1.5 at 1.5 R partial, because lots of time I saw reversal from 1.5 R. If you want to take, like, move at break even first and take partial, it's going to pay. Can't just trap gold. I'm just asking for friend, just slightly lower. Oh, my alarm. Preferably, we want to care about where is order block below or above open of 30-minute candle, but mostly it depends on structure, like overall structure on high time frame. Did we reach any level? If yes, that's nice. We are going to look for the action, but preferably yes, enter within the weak formation. Like, let's say, let me switch on YM. Preferably, I want to look for order block between open and high, because it's like framework for distribution, right? Yes, bearish. I need to see lower. NQ. I know, like NQ. Because I'm bearish on YM, and yes, I have no idea about NQ. It's really bullish. It's not in sync at all. Compare these charts. Big SMT. But I do like YM because, once again, it's pretty much same model as the trade in gold. This means I can make my life easier. But then I cannot say it's better. It's different because we trade on different assets. Need to backtest to compare which one is better. Both works. But I would say empty model right now for long on NQ, but I would like to see lower. Which one? Nothing to take on NQ. Let's see, by the way. Garbage. Perfect garbage. I'm not going to lie. I'd like to see lower on any assets. NQ, YM, yes, but NQ saying like, not today. It's going to drop eventually. Just the question when. It was great experience. Oh my god, I'm so sorry about this. But yes, we learn from our losses and mistakes. Giveaway started at 10. You still have 20 more minutes to participate, just in case you want to participate. Guys, did you take any trades today? No, I already started giveaway. Let me delete this. I already started giveaway. See pin message in the chat. Yes, NQ. What kind of trade was? You long on NQ, okay. Full ported sideways. Okay. I know, like, I still would like to see lower. Maybe I'm crazy, I know. Would like to see drop on gold so bad. I need to see price going to 92, 33.92. Yes, at 11 I will announce winners. But giveaway already started. Just pin message in the chat, guys. YM was nice. I'm pretty sure like I will see lots of posts about great setup on YM later today. Pretty sure. But sometimes it's great to stay away because like I don't see any reason to take unnecessary losses with chap when you clearly cannot see any setups. Yes, exactly. That's a problem. I do like to see. I would like to see slightly lower on YM still, slightly lower, but setup already. Let me see if it offered 2R. Not yet, by the way. It's not even 2R. Would like to see lower on YM. Guys, who ensured this on YM? Yes, YM was nice. I backtested last month. Worth to trade this. To try at least. And I do like that it has pretty much just one model to trade. Same on gold, so this means I can just look on trade on YM as well. Need to figure out the size still because I used to trade like mostly CL, gold, and QN, and yes, sometimes it's just hard to like switch my brain to trade different assets, especially because of contract size. But I will work on this. 2R. I mean, look at this. It's like 155. It's not lots of. By the way, it's not huge amount of dollars if I want to trade one mini. Guys, let me make sure. How many? 155. How many? How much it is with one mini? YM lot size calculator. Okay, $5, right? Oh, it's not huge risk, by the way. It's like multiply by 5, right? Okay. Then it's worth it. Solid risk. I even cannot afford mentally to trade one mini because I risk like $400 per trade, mostly $300 per trade. 74 multiplied by 5. So 370. Nice. With one mini. I already started giveaway. See pinned message in the chat. And I will announce winners in 14 minutes. Oh, my bad. Open was over here. But still, it's the same. So potential sweep and the open of next candle once we got OB. We got the closure with the displacement down and the open of next candle. Stop loss can be swing high or top of order block. And I would like to sell over to equal lows. Ready? Good luck then. Good luck. I hope ES is going to drop hard to London low, like fast drop, free fall. So this blue line means potential order block on 3-minute chart. So with this 3-minute order block, at least as you can see, we have low resistance to downside. Let's see if it may deliver this lower. Please, we dare to wait. But still, I like I like ES and YM more, which is even sounds crazy. Okay. Wait. Just trying to check form. Maybe it's time to trap? I'm just asking. Look at YM. What a beauty. So what is beauty? NQ needs to drop at this point. Hard. Where's hard drop? Okay, look at this. Nice. As said before, this reversal was from nowhere. Maybe test New York midnight open, maybe like AMD to New York midnight open, but overall from nowhere. Okay, guys, what we can see? To drop? Why? Wait a minute, why? It doesn't make to drop. Makes sense to drop. From what level we reversed? I mean, yes, I can see nice structure, overall structure on NQ, but why you think it doesn't make to drop? We didn't take any level on high time frame, like considering top-down analysis, I would say it makes sense to drop to reverse to all-time high. We need deeper retracement to OT to discount. I would say I would like to see, maybe I'm crazy, but I would like to see 90 points drop. But I'm bullish as well, just not on lower time frame. Here's my analysis. This is what I would like to see, guys. Maybe not that much, maybe I'm asking for too much, of course. But that's my analysis on high time frame. If I want to long, I really want to long from somewhere from this area. And okay, maybe NQ will not drop that much, maybe London low and that's it, but I would like to see ES taking out equilibrium Friday range. As I said before, I'm more bearish on ES and YM, so I don't want to talk about NQ, honestly. Maybe it will not drop, but ES needs to drop slightly lower. So we will see. I don't want to say like, no, you're wrong, like. Because actually, I agree with idea that NQ looks more bullish comparing with YM and ES. You know, when you clearly can see like you don't have high probability model like entry right now, this is why I, like from my personal mistakes, I prefer to stay away. Because if I want to see something, but who cares what I want to see? Market doesn't care about this. We are bullish, I agree with you. I'm extremely bullish to all-time high. Logical liquidity target is a high. This market has been trash for a week. I mean, all-time high, absolutely obvious level to be taken, absolutely obvious target, I agree with you. But I refuse to believe it doesn't want to retrace to discount at all, because from what I saw last week or last 2 months, we never actually got perfect retracement on lower time frame or medium time frame to discount. It simply was dancing near equilibrium on NQ and just pumping. So I hate it. I hate it so much. Which is probably why I'm taking losses on NQ pretty much often. Not anything still. Let's see why I am. Okay, let's see if we get potential sweep on YM as reaction. We need to get small body, big wick. Nothing yet. Would like to be bearish on gold as well. It's not nice, you know, when you bearish on NQ, not like bearish on NQ, but short-term bearish on NQ and short-term bearish on gold. Okay, guys, if you just enjoyed, would like to participate in giveaway, you still have 8 more minutes. Pinned message in the chat. What happened after you? Absolutely nothing. I will announce winners in 8 minutes. So if you just joined, would like to participate in giveaway, see pinned message in the chat. Just bring your eyes up. You will see Google form. And you can fill this form. Do you trade on no news day? I mean, as you can see, no. I mean, I don't mind. I wouldn't say like don't trade Monday because someone told me don't trade on Monday. No, I just don't sit up yet. Not in sync. Yes and Q are not in sync yet. Gold. I hope it's going to drop slightly lower. I set alert at 33.92.1. You have been. Okay. CL, it wasn't bad on CL. It was just horrible risk reward. On Euro, we're waiting for any signs of smart money reversal from daily for a value gap. So let's see. Maybe slightly lower, but still. On YM, we have Friday low, still lower. Don't you think? I do think so. I believe maybe because that's summer price action, but I don't want to blame market for not taking trades, right? It's just quite hard for me. What is 6E? It's just Euro, so futures. Why it's sharp? I mean, you ask me, I don't know. I have exactly the same question. So we do have another SMT. So we have pretty much big SMT at highs, pretty much big SMT at lows. And I believe ES left room to go lower. I would like to see just 11 points lower, like 12 points lower. I'm watching basically equilibrium of Friday range. No, I'm watching nothing right now on NQ because I'm not sure about the buys there. I already said, so last week I was trying to trade in Q. Pretty much what I traded, I didn't trade any setups, I traded what I wanted to see, so I paid for this. YM, yeah, YM amazing, like no complaints about YM. Solid. While, yeah. Never, like, I never was thinking like I will say that, but ES is better. No matter what, ES is better. I hope no one is going to blow accounts, so I'm super rich today. I made like $0, 0 cents. Maybe PM, but not sure. Maybe lunch. Why people trade in Q? Because ICT trades in Q. That's it. Before ICT switched to NQ, everyone traded ES because ICT traded ES. You need $50 to pass evaluation. Hardest $50 in your life. I will do giveaway in 4 minutes. Less than 4 minutes, 3 minutes. You know what's the issue? You said, what do you think about for our closure on NQ? Yes, NQ overall looks more bullish than ES and YM. That's the problem. I already have PDF how to trade fund accounts. I'm going to update this probably this or next week. Straight to fund it. I will do this, but yeah, I will do this in the near future. Straight to funded accounts. Yes, I will do. Okay, TradingView, right? For this week, I already have planned for giveaways. Not this week. This week, my funded futures, take profit traders, and funding ticks also funded next for a giveaway. So I need to give away this first. I already collected account, just need to give them away. And straight to funded, maybe in 2 weeks, because lots of accounts for giveaway. So let's see. I would say only yes. I have no idea about NQ, but only yes, I'm watching Equilibrium Friday range. Maybe not for AM session, maybe just for PM session, maybe for lunch. Scalped. You're crazy, but good job. Congratulations on passing your account. Which high? I have no idea about why NQ already said it. Like, no idea. Yes, still bearish. That's nice. Just need to drop 10 more points, 12 more points. Okay, guys, 1 more minute to enter giveaway. See pin message in the chat. 20 accounts blown. Oh my god. So with this first action, I agree. It was crazy. Crazy. Guys, if you just joined, tomorrow and any other days, I will stream pre-market. So I don't trade pre-market on NQ, I trade pre-market on gold. So I will trade gold. If I will enter, normally I stream at 8:40, 8:45 a.m. But if I see setup early, I will just start early. Okay. That's it. To trade gold pre-market, would like to be done before market open. Hope to be done before market open. Okay. Okay, guys, it's time to announce winners, right? We'll give NQ 5 more minutes while we are announcing winners, and that's it, NQ. We are not friends today at all. I'm not going to give you my account. I'm not going to trade you. Okay, random number generator. Okay, found it. Come on. All right. And it's time to pick the winner. Okay, guys, 30 more seconds while I'm opening Google form. From 2 to 495. First winner, it's 3 accounts, 3 winners. Core plan, my funded futures, 312. 312. And congratulations, we have, I will not probably read this. First winner. Second winner. Not sure if this guy in the chat, but I don't really care because I will send the email anyway. 250. 250 is. Where's 250? Okay. Another one. And last one. Tomorrow another giveaway. Don't worry, guys. If you're not going to win today, we will try again tomorrow. Normally 1 to trade. Okay, 176. Don't worry, tomorrow another giveaway. That's for today. Funded next. Funding ticks probably next, then funded next. I have still my funded futures for giveaway, so. So 3 winners for today. Tomorrow new giveaway. Once again, I still need to do my funded futures, take profit trader, funding ticks, funded next. Then I will do Tradify. Just let's do first these accounts. You didn't receive, so it's okay. I will check for you right after Steam. You're welcome, guys. Congratulations who won this giveaway. It's my funded futures, so you don't need to pay any activation fee. As well as you're going to win funded next or funding ticks, you don't need to pay any activation fee. Yeah. I don't trade unicorn. I trade pretty much order blocks. I mean, I trade with funded next. I see zero issue. So why it's scam? Tell me. It's pretty much solid, at least for me. Let's see what is going on. I hope gold is going to just drop slightly lower. Gold, yes, touch daily fair value gap, but if you just want to open for a chart and pull OT projection, we still have room to go lower. Just a little bit. Within this daily fair value gap, we have 4-hour fair value gap. I do like to see there. I have straight to funded with Tradify and funding ticks. It's straight to funded, so you don't need to pass this. You want to long in queue? Yes, I need gold to 392 as well. It will be nice to see. Yes, personal account. I got perfect trade on gold last week. Amazing trade, which was called live as well. I got in long over here and I closed at 17 over here. Absolutely brilliant trade. It was amazing trade last week on gold. So this was, we discussed this trade on gold. I don't remember, it was Monday or Tuesday. So remember this, guys, we discussed this long on gold on stream. Remember this? I haven't told you like I'm going to long this on my account. And here's my executions. So once we got this hourly OB, I said I'm going to long on my personal account to force standard deviation. So I took partial one contract offered by side liquidity level, and final target was final target I mentioned before. So perfect trade, like 80 points on gold with 2 minutes. Amazing. Just all I ask on gold, the slightly lower, please, to this fair value gap. Give us this move. But the problem, I also would like to see in Q in a yes lower. McDonald's or KFC. Nothing. I don't eat this food. My kids love Happy Meals, but I always lie to them saying like it doesn't sell this anymore. He's looking for a job. So I don't know which one is better. So guys, I'm not going to discuss NQ because I simply don't know about where it's going to go. But yes, to equilibrium Friday range, yes, I don't mind to see lower. If gold is about to drop, that's going to be brilliant, at least to start looking for potential reversal from this range. I hope so. Just for now, we'll look for smart money reversal within this range. I'm already working on an indicator, guys. I have perfect guy who is going to build this for us, but it takes time. But so far, so good. I'm not going to trade NQ, so don't even ask me about NQ. Nothing to trade on NQ. Maybe like gold. Like why I'm already play out this short, so I know what to trade here right now. Yeah, let's. I mean, it's not my model, so it just turtle soup. Everyone trade this. Okay, let's see 3-minute chart real quick. No, probably 5-minute chart. Considering this, look at these bodies on our 1-hour chart. It's pretty much chop consolidation. Ignoring this week, pretty much consolidation. We got 3-minute order block. We got 5-minute change in the state of delivery, and that's it. Price doesn't want to offer any displacement below this order block. So at least if I want to consider short to London low on NQ, I need to see displacement. It's struggling. I mean, it's not going to struggle once I finish the stream because, like, why not? But it's going to struggle right now. Guys, if you just joined, I will start streaming early at 8:40 a.m. to trade pre-market gold. Gold is better. One love. Idea, of this indicator is to draw a risk reward. Like, let's say, let me switch on gold. Let's say, idea of I would like to get this indicator, to build this indicator that's going to draw. Let me see. So I drew this manually right now, as you can see, like open, stop loss, swing high, and 2R. Like I drew this manually, right? But I would like to have indicators that's going to draw this for myself without me, like indicator. That's it. Probably yes, alerts, draw this risk reward, highlight order blocks, sweeps. So idea is indicator like don't use my hands at all. We'll try to figure this out. It's lots of work, as you know, guys. So once again, this model has around like 67% win rate. This means it's not going to be a winning trade every single time with this. Oil looks good. It's really wrong time to trade oil. What you want to trade on oil? Already play out. It was 1 hour trade, just that's it. Horrible. Nothing on Q, absolute nothing alike. No displacement to downside. This means it's really struggling with a move lower, but it's struggling all morning, right? Nothing I like. I hope gold is going to offer something sold tomorrow. So I do like to be done before market open. Yes, please. So I didn't take any trades on Friday. I didn't take any trades on Monday so far. So like nothing. No, it will be for TradingView. I'm not sure. Do you know what kind of language we have on NinjaTrader? Because PineScript is crazy. I was trying to code on my own, but is what for NinjaTrader? I need to check. But PineScript, it's guys, it's hard. Oh, okay. And you just chop it like nothing. It's bullish from the very beginning. From market open, it was extremely bullish. So that's why I said I'm not going to take any trades on NQ because it's clearly not in sync with YM. And yes. I was trying to use ChatGPT. I was trying to use Grok. I was trying to use Gemini, for this PineScript. Hard. Yeah, it knows some stuff, but it draws completely like random stuff. Oops, let me delete this. It's okay. I was trying to use this. It just doesn't work for me. I was trying to code on my own. I have some indicators that I code already, but indicators I want to build for this model, it's hard. It's hard. Yeah, I asked ChatGPT to ask me questions. So it's going to be like great for me. At least we understand each other, but no. Gemini, I was trying to use this. No, I don't know why. Still need to work on this, like it still has lots of errors, unfortunately. But I will figure this out. Don't worry about this. We started working with this indicator. It's just hard. Yeah, PineScript updates like every 3-4 months. They changing some stuff. And of course, ChatGPT or Grok or Gemini doesn't know this, this new stuff. And yeah, it just, how people code there. That's crazy, people. That's hard. Very hard. But the idea is to build this on TradingView because everyone uses TradingView. Not lots of people use NinjaTrader. But also it will be nice to code this on NinjaTrader. Just will be easier than on PineScript, I believe. But guys, if you code on PineScript, you stars. You're crazy. You're amazing. With your stop loss for a year. So you long or short? Yeah, guys, once I will be done with this, of course, I will let you know. So once again, NQ remains bullish. Look at this SMTs, lots of SMTs at lows. Doesn't want to displace lower even after formation of order blocks on 5 and 3 minute chart. Displacement means speed, continuation, expansion. We don't have any signs of displacement, so it's pretty much chop. This means we're still inside bullish bias, right? Bullish order flow. While, yes, stuck at London low, that's nice. Let's see what kind of reaction we can get. We don't have any signs of, by the way, smart money reversal to upside just yet. I still remain bearish on ES, and probably I remain bearish on YM as well. We have Friday low lower. Let's see. I don't use new week opening gap. I only use like weekly open. 6 p.m. on daily candle Sunday. But basically the difference between closure of daily candle on Friday and open of daily candle on Sunday, Monday. But there are lots of indicators on new week opening gap on TradingView, so yeah, once again, since market open, I wouldn't say like something significant happened. We got, let me see, what kind of range we got. 10 points range on ES, which is nothing. And we got, since market open, oops, sorry guys, 80 points on NQ for 2 hours. You winner? Oh, that's nice. Congratulations. I just checked. Maybe because once again, we don't have any news today. It's Monday, no news, like no volatility, nothing drives market. That's why probably we sit in this job. But all I know, it's better to stay away if you see like you don't have like solid confirmation for your model than just try to chase the price. YM was nice. YM was nice from the very beginning. Like it offered the model. It was good. CL, it wasn't good, honestly. It was just 1 hour trade, like just logic trade. I wouldn't say like we got perfect model or something like this. Gold, I would like to see lower on gold, but since I would say 6 a.m. it was inside consolidation, tight consolidation, like 15 points consolidation. Also hard to trade this. So that's why I'm flat. That's it. I hope we don't have lots of people who blew accounts. If you blow your account, just keep blowing your account. Just learn from this. And journal using NinjaTrader, which has very little what. I use NinjaTrader, but I never like use it for drawings. I use it for trading, which I do like. I do like their Copier. I do like their ATM strategy. I do like everything about them. Okay, it's pretty much happy. 11:22, so nothing worse to look at this. So guys, let's take a break because blow account party. So now, it's mentally very hard, especially I already discussed this before last week. For example, like I got last week. I was green like 3 days in a row and I got like small loss, basically break even, $77. I know it's nothing, but still it's trade day. And I was so happy, I decided to be like cold and just say, okay, I will try tomorrow because I know every single time when I'm trying to recover my losses, it's bad. It's really big loss. Maybe I am not lucky, but every single time when I was trying to recover, every single time, guys, I'm not lying right now, it was bigger loss. Because when I'm trying to recover, I don't think about setup. I don't think about the bias. I think about green day. And I've been green. That's it. It's hard. Hardest part is to just stay cold. Like, you don't need to recover. If loss, then loss. Okay, just accept the small loss, not going to hurt my account. I will try again tomorrow. Did you try indicators I shared on my guide for how to use NinjaTrader? Probably you don't. Let me send you the post. Guys, if you want to have ticks, points on your NinjaTrader, give me 1 second. Open this chat. Let me open Sim account to show you how it works. Guys, don't copy right now. I'm just going to show you something. Don't copy right now. I'm going to show you how it works. It's Sim account. Don't copy right now. So I have indicator called order line decorator. See this? This means I'm going to set my ATM strategy. For example, I'm going to trade 5 contracts, for example, micros. I'm going to put my stop loss in ticks, 80 ticks for my stop loss, which is 20 points. My profit is going to be twice more, which is 40 points, right? So this means if I'm going to open position right now, once again, don't copy me right now. I'm going to show you how this indicator works. I'm going to open this position right now. It's going to set 20 point stop loss. It's going to set TP right now for 40 points, and it shows 40 points. If I'm going to go to settings for this indicator, I can add profit, I can add ticks. This means it's going to show you with 5 micros, I'm going to risk $200, 20 points. I'm going to win 40 points, $400. Make sense? Don't copy this, it's Sim, just to show you how indicator works, okay? Make sense? And if you go to this post, I have a link for this, it's free indicator, and I have instruction how to set this indicator. It's going to help you probably, it's nice. What do you think about this? So NinjaTrader has everything to trade with. Look, I know about this. Yeah, it's pretty much helpful. I actually don't use amount of dollars I'm making. For example, if I don't want to see if I'm going to risk $200 or $400. I want to see how many points I want to risk. You can set your ATM strategy, whatever you like, and this indicator is going to show you anyways this. For example, amount of points, ticks, or dollars. We have, how to edit? Give me 1 second. I cannot edit this right now. Okay. Make sense? Nice indicator. So initially this indicator has bug. So this means if I want to enter with 5 contracts, initially it shows I'm going to risk not 20 points, but it multiplies by 5. It shows like 100 points. So if you go to the post that I shared with you guys, like link, you will see what you need to do to fix this problem. That's it. Once again, I just sent this link to this post on Twitter. You can download this indicator. You have instructions how to set this indicator. Nice indicator. Okay. Also, beauty of this NinjaTrader. So basically, you have ATM strategy. So you can just have custom ATM strategy. For example, you want to like trade in ticks, like you want to disk 80 ticks, like 20 points on NQ to make 40 points. But also you can just add more. No, not custom over here. You can set to auto break even. This means once it hits 160 ticks, right? It's going to move your stop loss at break even by default. So you don't need to use your hands for this, right? Or you can auto trail just one step. This means once I'm in profit, let's say, I know, like 80 ticks in profit, I want to trail my stop loss, let's say 16 ticks. So if I risked like 80 ticks, 20 points, I want to trail my stop loss 4 more points in my favor. So it's going to trail your stop loss. Pretty much ATM strategy is very solid on NinjaTrader. So it's you can break even. You don't need to look at your chart at all. So once it hit your 160 ticks or 40 ticks points profit on NQ, it's going to move at break even by default. Or you want to trail your stop loss every single time. This means every 80 ticks, not every, just once it hit 80 ticks, it's going to trail 16 ticks in your favor, or 3 steps. Every, I don't know, like, I don't know, 120. You can just, I know, 16, and so on. Perfect tool, NinjaTrader. I do like, like auto trail, auto break even, because it's really nice. 160 is going to move at break even. I don't care about this anymore. Yeah, I know about like third-party apps. I just was thinking about, like TapStep X has feature like lock your account for 30 minutes, like custom time or all day, which is nice. I wish NinjaTrader has this, but I hope they're going to fix this problem soon. Link, of course. Give me 1 second. I'm going to send you right now. I have like introduction to NinjaTrader. I decided to do this because lots of questions. Is NQ going for lows? I do like to see lower NQ. But struggling. I would like to see ES lower. I don't know about NQ. I would like to see ES to 6397.50, which is equilibrium Friday range. About NQ, I have no idea, guys. NQ bullish. I'm not sure if it's really going to drop. On YM, I tested only one model, potential sweep, exactly same model that I trade on gold. No, we don't have any trades yet. So you must close above sequence of down close candles to consider long. It's still bearish. ES and NQ, ES and YM is bearish. NQ is still bullish. Which means what? Not in sync. For example, as you can see, guys, we got potential sweep. Let's see if we got at least 1.5 hour. Potential sweep, 3-minute OB, closure, entry. Let's see at least 1.5 hour, which is probably not. 1.4 hour. Never got this. So here's the potential 30-minute sweep with chop. So I don't really like to trade this on NQ, but let's see where's 1.5 hour. 1.5 hour is over here. We never got this. It was close, but still. Yeah, system flat. I just saying, like, we got potential sweep confirmed by 3-minute OB, but we just got 1.5 1.4 hour, 47 hour. I mean, yeah, I need to use to like draw on NinjaTrader. I don't feel like it's a problem, just need to time. But yes, nothing wrong with completely switch to NinjaTrader. It just takes time, especially after TradingView. I will keep you updated, guys, okay? I'm building this not for me, that's for you guys. I can see this without any indicators, just trying to build this for everyone. Because I know lots of people like has problem with finding setups that they trade on gold, but I would like to have indicators that are going to draw this. TradeStation, you need to try both and figure this out, because something that works for me probably will not work for you, or probably will work for you. So I cannot say which one is better. I do like NinjaTrader personally. Yeah, it's my name, exactly. But it's common question why I called my channel like Lumi. And that's funny because I already discussed this. When I was creating my Twitter account, I don't know why, but I was so sure and so confident I don't need to use my real name. You want to ask me why? And I'm going to answer, I don't know. I was so confident, like, no way I'm going to use my real name. So there's no answer. Just because. Crazy. I know. Of course, if you could like come back and say like, Dasha, don't do this, don't do this, just use Dasha. Why? What's wrong with this? I would use Dasha, but it is what it is. Okay. Means snow. Okay. Interesting. Okay, guys, it's time to go. Nothing is going on. Absolutely brilliant price action, not to trade them. I will see you guys tomorrow at 8:45 a.m. 8:40 a.m. to trade gold. Unfortunately, gold did not offer anything good today, so without gold trade today, maybe tomorrow. Guys, tomorrow at 8:40 a.m. I will see you guys to trade gold pre-market. Preferably be done before market open. And by yes. I didn't trade gold today. I didn't see any solid setups that worth to try. Giveaway. I already announced winners, guys, at 11, like 30 minutes ago. Guys, I did giveaway. Come on. I started at 10 and announced winners at 11. We picked 3 winners. If you won, you're going to receive email. I already showed, by the way, winners in the chat and on my screen. Just hide it. Thank you guys for watching me. Thank you for subscribing me. I hope to get set up tomorrow on gold because, you know, I'm in love with gold. Disappointed like it didn't offer any good setups today. We will do again tomorrow. Don't worry about this. No way. Did you lose? I mean, I made $0, 0 cents. I didn't even try to execute today. Try forex. I will look for Japanese yen and euro. Not right now, just overall, like, to see what is going on there. Maybe I will give a try lunch to trade lunch or PM session, but probably not. I will try continue building my core plan, my Fund Teachers account. Need to build this. So no trades on Friday, no trades on my Funded Futures today on Monday. So far I have only like one winning trade on August 1st, one break even, and one winning trade last Tuesday, 3 break evens on Wednesday, and one winning trade on Thursday. So I didn't trade Friday, and I didn't trade, at least for now, didn't trade Monday. Let's see how it goes. Looking good so far. This account with micros only, 3-5 micros, just in case you're interested about this. So with minis, of course, it could be better, but with 3-5 micros also looks solid. slowly going to target. Yeah, let's see how it goes. Not trades probably today. It's okay. Yeah, last month of summer, ICT said like be careful trading this month. So I would probably agree with him. But gold still solid. Gold was solid in May, June, July, and August. So I don't know why people keep saying like gold is garbage while it's not. Yeah, probably it's going to be slow. Once again, that's fine. I hope ES is going to drop slightly lower. YM has read the low lower. So are you excited for his 2000? I mean, like, I don't watch, I'm not going to lie, I didn't watch even 2024 mentorship. Information that was shared in 2022 and core content is enough for me. Of course, you can watch this, nothing wrong with this, just. I'm saying, like, not really excited because probably I'm not going to watch this. No bias on NQ. I'm bearish on ES and YM. I don't think like it's enough for NQ to drop. I don't know. Like NQ bullish from the very beginning, while YM and ES bearish. So hard to say what is bias on NQ. Because in my opinion, if it wanted to drop, it's already dropped like long time ago. I don't know why it's struggling, why it's dancing right now in this near 9 a.m. open and 10 a.m. open. No idea. It just doesn't want to move. But I'm bearish on ES and YM, so on ES I don't mind DC lower still. On NQ, I know. I have modeled how to trade gold on my YouTube. Like, watch my last videos about this, last 2 videos about this. It's going to help you. You like ES more? ES by the way nice, yeah. It's 1 hour chart. Let's see if we get smart money reversal. Once again, NQ has room to go lower because it didn't hit any high time frame levels. But I don't know why it's still struggling with drop. It doesn't want to offer any displacement to downside, which makes me feel like I do like to see NQ lower, but I don't know why it doesn't want to displace. It was bullish from the market open. If I could send NQ lower, of course I would do this. But I cannot say like my final bias for NQ is bearish. I don't know, like I don't have bias there. ES needs to drop, that's all I know. ES needs to drop to 63.97. At 63.97 we have equilibrium Friday range. As we all know, price trying to retrace to equilibrium Friday range on Sunday and Monday. Oh, we don't take any setups yet, like today, no? Once I even trade, guys, you're going to know this. I will show you. Like, nothing to trade. Nothing. I'm going to probably just take a break. for PM session, but I have no interest in trading for now, just at all. It's just hard for me when I see in Q bullish, ES bearish, YM bearish to figure out what to trade. It's not in sync. So come back tomorrow. So we will try gold tomorrow. You wanna watch? I will check PM. At least I will check price action at 1. And if it's going to be sold, I will come back because I need to go to the gym today. I already bought this morning at 5 a.m. So no reason to go there again. So if it's going to be sold, I will see you today. If it's going to be garbage, I will see you tomorrow. Okay. How it sounds. I will check at 1 p.m. what kind of price action we're going to have. If it's going to be sold at 1 p.m. If it's going to be garbage, no. At 1 p.m. So today I woke up at 4:45 a.m. Went to the gym at 5. Left gym at 6. So normally I go after trading, but I decided to switch my schedule a little bit, and now I'm going to try to go at 4 a.m. 5 a.m., not 4 a.m. So basically, PM session has M2 model as well as it has 30-minute potential sweep. Yesterday I went to bed around like almost 11 p.m. Woke up at 4:47, 4:45. I don't remember what time it was. Okay. All right. Yo, what? What? My gym has like cold plunges, like they has like extremely cold water there. And after workout, I decided to try this because normally I go like during lunch for this cold water, but I tried like at 5:30 and it was hard. 37 degrees temperature there. I want a random answer from my personal question. Which question? Should I ghost here? What do you mean? It was hard. I'm not going to lie. I'm not trading right now. You talking about me or what? What's for lunch? I have no idea. I mean, I cannot show you anything. I didn't take any trades. But if you don't mind, I will continue showing this on NinjaTrader because I cannot, for example, connect rhythmic accounts to to TradingView. Rice and chicken. Okay. It's time to go, guys. I will see you tomorrow. Price is choppy, so no reason to waste time on this. Yeah, guys, see you tomorrow at 8:40 a.m. Tomorrow more giveaways, 1 p.m. example. Once I will see any trades, I will send you. I will show you next day. Okay? Pick one, yes or no. I don't know. I will stay away. Yeah, guys, see you tomorrow. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching me. Don't forget to subscribe, click the like button. See you tomorrow, guys.